a custom masterpiece by Olive & Oak Custom Homes. The Oakland floor plan was designed with livability and sophistication in mind. Luxury details and finishes are found in every room. The glass double-door entry leads you into a foyer that you will never forget. The stone-wrapped walls complement organic arches and curved opening between the great room and foyer. Enjoy the detailed carpentry displayed throughout the home's wainscoting, trim, coffered ceilings, beams, and window casements. The great room is washed in light from the oversized windows, and the stately gas log fireplace welcomes your guests to gather. The kitchen is unrivaled and fully outfitted with ZLINE appliance package, quartz countertops, and locally crafted cabinetry featuring inset reeded glass and brass rail shelving. A hidden walk-in pantry with an appliance bar complements the kitchen of your dreams. The primary bedroom is your personal sanctuary. The ensuite provides a custom tiled walk-in shower, soaking tub, an oversized vanity with 2 sinks and a separate dressing table. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is full of custom detail at every corner and situated on a beautiful lot in Shadow Creek. The beauty of this home already shines throughout. Just wait until you see the finished product. Find your way home by contacting Dana Botterin to see this true masterpiece today.